Most SUV buyers think they're making a smart decision the moment they sign the papers. But what if that brand new compact SUV is secretly a $35,000 mistake? Because in 2026, compact SUVs have never looked better. Sharper designs, massive screens, flashier technology, but looks can be expensive. Because behind the marketing hype, some SUVs quietly drain your wallet through depreciation, repairs, and ownership headaches. And the real cost isn't just money. It's the wasted weekends, the frustrating service visits, the moment you realize you bought the wrong SUV. So we analyzed long-term reliability trends, ownership history, and expert performance data to find the 5 compact SUVs that actually hold up. And trust me, one of America's biggest selling SUVs didn't take the crown. Starting with number 5, the SUV that might be the smartest warranty-backed buy in America. Number 5, 2026 Hyundai Tucson Hybrid. Coming in at number 5, the 2026 Hyundai Tucson Hybrid. And honestly, this SUV proves that smart buying isn't always about chasing the biggest bat. Sometimes it's about understanding where real value lives. What gives the Tucson its edge isn't flashy marketing. It's something buyers rarely appreciate until ownership begins. Peace of mind. Because Hyundai backs this SUV with one of the strongest warranty packages in the entire industry. You're getting a 5-year, 60,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, and for the original owner, a lifetime hybrid battery warranty. That's confidence few rivals can match. Starting at just over $31,000, including destination. The Tucson Hybrid enters the market as one of the most affordable electrified compact SUVs you can buy in 2026. And that pricing changes everything, because it delivers premium-level features, without premium-level financial pain. Step inside, and Hyundai punches far above its class. A seamless dual 12.3-inch display setup, fingerprint authentication, and Hyundai's signature parametric jewel hidden lamps that still look futuristic every single time they light up. On the road, the Tucson Hybrid leans toward comfort over aggression. Its suspension is tuned to smooth out broken pavement. Its hybrid system delivers quiet efficiency, and its cabin remains impressively refined for this price point. So why only number 5? Because while the Tucson Hybrid excels in warranty protection and value, its driving dynamics simply don't feel as polished as the SUVs ranked above it. Still, if long-term ownership confidence matters more than excitement, this might be the smartest under-the-radar buy of 2026. But if you want sharper driving manners, number 4 raises the bar significantly. And it comes from a brand that has practically built its reputation on getting reliability right. At number 4, the 2026 Honda CR-V Hybrid. This is the SUV for buyers who don't need flashy gimmicks, because Honda focused on something much harder to engineer. Balance. Under the hood sits Honda's proven hybrid system, producing 204 horsepower and 247 pound-feet of torque. And those numbers translate into something you actually feel. Instant, effortless response. This is widely considered one of the best driving compact SUVs on sale. The steering feels precise. The suspension absorbs rough pavement with calm authority. And the entire vehicle feels engineered with purpose. Inside, the CR-V keeps things clean and functional. No gimmicks, no unnecessary distractions. Just a cabin designed to make daily life easier. And this is where Honda earns its reputation. Routine maintenance is often enough to push these vehicles well beyond 200,000 miles. That makes the CR-V Hybrid less of a purchase and more of a long-term financial asset. But there's a catch. At nearly $44,000 in higher trims, it's the most expensive SUV in this part of the ranking. And surprisingly, it still skips features some rivals include. Still, if your priority is dependable engineering and polished road manners, few compact hybrids deliver this level of consistency. That's why the CR-V hybrid lands confidently at number 4. But the SUV at number 3 delivers something Honda doesn't. A genuinely premium experience, without the premium badge. At number 3, the completely reimagined 2026 Mazda CX-5. And this is where things get interesting. Because Mazda didn't just refresh this SUV. They rebuilt it to challenge vehicles, costing significantly more. For 2026, Mazda overhauled nearly everything. The proportions are cleaner, the stance is more athletic, and the entire SUV carries the kind of presence you'd expect from something wearing a European luxury badge. Step inside, and the transformation becomes even more obvious. Mazda finally replaces the old command wheel setup with a standard 12.9-inch touchscreen, and higher trims push that to an enormous 15.6-inch display. And unlike many rivals chasing futuristic gimmicks, Mazda focused on craftsmanship. The materials feel richer, the layout feels intentional, and the cabin delivers a genuinely upscale experience. It's practical too, with 583 liters of cargo space and an impressive 2,000-kilogram towing capacity. The CX-5 balances style with genuine versatility. But this is where the CX-5 really separates itself. Behind the wheel, it feels remarkably close to entry-level luxury crossovers like the BMW X1. The steering is sharp, the chassis feels composed, and every corner feels intentional. And then comes the number that changes everything. It starts at just over $31,000. That's mainstream SUV money for something that feels unexpectedly premium. So why not higher? Because while the CX-5 is incredibly refined, the SUVs ahead offer stronger hybrid efficiency and broader long-term ownership advantages. Still, for drivers who care about how an SUV feels every single day, this might be the sweet spot of the entire segment. But if you want the SUV that shocked nearly every comparison test, number 2 changes the game completely. At number 2, the 2026 Kia Sportage Hybrid. And this SUV surprised almost everyone, because Kia didn't just build a good compact hybrid. They built one capable of beating the segment's biggest legends. In direct comparison testing, the Sportage Hybrid outperformed both the Toyota RAV4 and Honda CR-V in several key areas. Not just technology, not just comfort, but overall daily usability. And visually, nothing else in this class looks quite like it. The lighting signature is aggressive. The proportions feel futuristic. And even parked, the Sportage Hybrid demands attention. Inside, Kia pushes the segment forward again. A standard 12.3-inch touchscreen dominates the dashboard. The interface feels modern, responsive, and significantly more upscale than many Japanese competitors. But what really stands out is the cabin quality. The textures feel richer, the design feels cleaner, and the overall atmosphere feels one class above its price point. Kia also engineered smart practicality into this SUV. In fact, it's the only vehicle in this class with cargo area levers that instantly fold the rear seats down. It sounds small until you actually live with it. And just like Hyundai, Kia backs the Sportage Hybrid with a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. That kind of protection matters more than most buyers realize, especially long after the excitement of buying a new car fades away. So why doesn't the Sportage Hybrid take the top spot? Because the SUV at number 1 still dominates where it matters most. Long-term trust, efficiency, and proven ownership confidence. But make no mistake, the Sportage Hybrid is one of the smartest compact SUVs America can buy right now. And now, the SUV that continues to dominate America year after year. The hybrid crossover that practically defines this segment. And finally, the number one compact SUV for 2026, the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. At this point, calling the RAV4 successful almost feels like an understatement, because this SUV hasn't just dominated sales charts, it has dominated trust. In fact, the RAV4 was America's best-selling non-pickup vehicle in 2025. And that doesn't happen by accident. Millions of buyers trust this SUV for one reason. It consistently delivers. But the biggest reason people keep coming back is efficiency. The front-wheel drive model delivers up to 44 miles per gallon combined. And even the all-wheel drive version remains incredibly efficient, meaning trips that normally demand fuel stops suddenly feel effortless. And this is where Toyota's reputation becomes nearly impossible to ignore. These hybrids are engineered for long-term ownership. Minimal drama, minimal surprises, just dependable transportation that keeps working year after year. Toyota also packs the RAV4 Hybrid with its latest Safety Sense 4.0 system, adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, and proactive driving assist technology designed to reduce fatigue during long drives. And for buyers wanting something more adventurous, Toyota even offers a Woodland Edition with increased ride height, rugged styling, and a personality designed for weekend escapes beyond the city. Meanwhile, the GR Sport trim adds a completely different attitude. 20-inch wheels, sport-tuned suspension, and a sharper, more aggressive road presence. And that's ultimately why the RAV4 Hybrid takes the crown. Because while some SUVs may feel more luxurious or more exciting, none balance efficiency, reliability, resale value, and long-term ownership confidence better than this. The RAV4 Hybrid isn't just popular, it's proven. So, which compact SUV would you actually trust with your money? And more importantly, which one would you avoid completely? Drop your pick in the comments. And if you want more brutally honest car rankings like this, subscribe to RideFlow Reviews, because the next mistake we expose might save you thousands.